Hi guys, welcome to Car Collect 101. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a basic engine detailing. You can do this with common tools and materials you can find at home or your local hardware store. We will use a vacuum, microfiber towel, water with dish soap, multi-purpose protectant, car wax, and a paintbrush. I will be using this because I don't have a detailing brush and we also need a toothbrush. So we will work on a 2023 Mitsubishi Mirage hatchback. It's quite dirty. I bought this in an auction full of dust and dirt. There are leaves on the wiper base. We will remove it later, and under the hood is full of dust. I will not remove the hood insulation because I don't have any extra clips. First, we will disconnect and remove the battery. Disconnecting the battery is recommended because some parts and sensors will get wet and we don't want to have a short circuit. And I recommend using working gloves because there are parts on the engine that are sharp and can tear your skin. And our dog buddy is lying beside me, checking my work. Hey, what are you doing? Stop that! Unbolt the negative terminal first. Then the positive terminal. Then remove the battery lock. Be careful not to short circuit the negative and positive terminals of the battery with your wrench. Then the battery is out. Next, I'm going to prepare the vacuum. I have a shop vac and its dust filter is already damaged. What I do is put a small amount of water in it so that the dust will settle in the water. Then let's lock the vacuum. I'm going to start with the hood insulator. Remove the dust as much as you can. You can use a toothbrush to clean the dirt that is stuck. I just play the video fast so that you won't get bored. Then let's look at the before and after. Here's the before. And here's the after. With just a vacuum, it looks much better now. Then we're going to remove the leaves from the wiper. I use a stick to remove the dirt stuck beneath. Then next are the parts of the engine. I will start on the right side. Remove as much dirt as you can. Use a toothbrush to remove the stuck dirt. And follow through going to the rest of the engine. Vacuum all parts that you can reach. After the vacuum, we're going to use water with dish soap. Spray it on the surface, or you can spray it on the microfiber tile and wipe the dirt off. Wipe all the dirt that you can see. For angles or hard to reach areas, you can use a toothbrush to clean it deep. Next is clean the wiper arm and its plastic trim. The toothbrush is very useful in cleaning hard to reach areas. Then wipe it with the microfiber towel. Then do the same process to the other parts of the engine. The sensors are safe to get wet because we are using a low pressure spray. Be careful if there are thin wires because you could disconnect them. This is the safest method you can detail an engine. Do it part by part. Mainly I will use a toothbrush, a microfiber towel, and a water with dish soap in cleaning the engine. Also, open the fuse box and clean inside its cover. Repeat the process part by part. Clean it thoroughly, the wires, the connectors, anything you can see dirt. Then do the same process on the rest of the engine. Then after cleaning with water soap, here are the results. Let's look at the before and after. Here's the before and here's the after. Cleaning with water soap. And here are the results at the top. It looks much cleaner and better with just water and dish soap. But we are not done yet. Next, we're going to apply wax to the painted areas. This wax is microphobic type. You can use any wax you like. It is fine because we are applying it to the engine chassis. I will put all the materials I use in the description below. Get the applicator pad and apply it through the painted areas of the engine. We're going to start at the top. Apply it to the side. Be careful not to apply wax to the black insulator because it will turn white when dry. If you mistakenly put some, just buff it immediately with a microfiber towel. Apply it on all the painted areas, then buff the excess. Next, apply it to the painted areas on the engine. I'll start on the left side, then at the front, and also here on the right side. Then after, buff it with the microfiber towel. Next, we're going to apply the multi-purpose protectant. You can use it on plastic, rubber, and leather. This is not a paid video. I just want to show you guys what I use in detailing cars. Let's start at the top. We will apply it to the hood insulation to make it look more vibrant. Then we are going to apply it to the plastic and rubber parts of the engine. Spray a decent amount on the microfiber towel. Then apply it part by part. Can you see the difference? On the left side, it's more dark and vibrant than on the right side. Let's finish applying it to the right side. And here is the result. Then next, we're going to apply it to the engine. Do it part by part. Apply it to the plastic parts and rubber hoses of the engine on hard to reach areas. You can use a paintbrush to apply it. Then finish it all through the engine. And we are all done. Let's compare it with the before and after. Here's the before. And here's the after. It looks brand new. If you're going to sell this car, the buyer will surely be attracted to it. If you're going to an event and you pop up your hood, you would surely be confident with it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell to be notified of my upcoming car videos. If you have questions or suggestions, just post a comment below